there will not be a specific map road because it is a conflict, not a mere gari accident.
How has been this a few days and what are your other plans for this?
देखो ये भारत महान, मणिपुर महान, तो भारत के लिए भारत को स्ट्रेंथन कराने का, यूनाइट करने का मतलब हम सब भारतवासियों को हर एक किसी तरह से भी इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए. तो वी हैव स्टार्टेड, वी ऑर्गेनाइज इन मेनी प्लेसेस इन ऑल ओवर द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हर घर तिरंगा अंडर द guidance of the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. So successfully since the 13th August, we are from the 11th, we are continuously organizing this type of Har Ghar Tiranga, Ghar Ghar. So even we are extending our help to the displaced relief camps, and all the MLAs and the ministers are going there and they are getting meals together. So this kind of things were taking place. Today I am very happy, in spite of having some trouble, many people, including the cultural troops and the student bodies, has come up and have take part in the march past. And I really appreciate the people of Manipur. तो हम फिर बधाई देता हूँ सबको इंडिपेंडेंस डे का. Jai Hind.
Sir, all the people of Manipur, including all the communities, wanted to know the roadmap towards the peace.
Peace means peace lies on us. There will not be a specific map road because it is a conflict, not a mere gari accident. A conflict has just we are taking every kind of effort. Just in Jiribam already peace has restored. Like that, we are trying to do district by district, and we are trying to meet in person those who are the.
CAG कंट्रोलर ऑडिटर जनरल के जो रिपोर्ट है डेप्थ एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट के द्वारा जो मणिपुर के इस साल का 42.61 डेप्थ हो जाएगा, तो उसको स्टेबलाइज
नहीं. इसमें देखो ना, नहीं स्टेबलाइज इसमें कुछ नहीं है. ही इज काउंटिंग ओनली दोज रिपोर्ट व्हिच ही गॉट. तो बीच में जो एडजस्ट नहीं कर रहा है उसको काउंट नहीं कर रहा है. जैसे आई हैव ऑलरेडी क्लैरिफाइड इन द असेंबली, हार्डली 300 crores might be in the depth. Others has were already sent, but it is not reaching to the top. It is lying and adjusting the account between the officials.
March party continues in the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Chief Listener, opening.